Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the water inlet on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands, including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new water inlet for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's water inlet is a point through which water enters the tub of the dishwasher. If the water inlet is damaged or fails, water may leak from the water inlet and water may not properly enter the dishwasher. When replacing the water inlet, we also recommend replacing the gasket, which is sold separately. First, disconnect the power to the dishwasher. If your dishwasher has a power cord, unplug the dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to turn off the power at the breaker before disconnecting the wires in the terminal box, which is located underneath the dishwasher. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink, plumbing, or garbage disposal. Then, feed the drain tube and power cord through the holes in your cabinet as far as they'll go. Next, turn off the water shutoff valve for the water supply line. Then, remove the access panel on the bottom of the dishwasher by undoing the retainers. Place a towel or sheet pan under the dishwasher to catch any water that may leak. Now, disconnect the water supply line from underneath the dishwasher. Leave the drain tube attached. Next, open the dishwasher door and remove the screws securing the dishwasher to the countertop. If your dishwasher is side-mounted, remove the screws from the cabinet, which may be located behind the cabinet seal or behind the plastic cap on the side of the dishwasher. You may need to lower the dishwasher's leveling legs if it is too tight against the countertop. Now, slide the dishwasher out from underneath the countertop, being sure to feed both the power cable and drain tube through the holes in the cabinet. Next, open the dishwasher's door, pull the bottom dish rack forward, and lift it up and out. To remove the inlet nut, use a pair of channel lock pliers and spin it counterclockwise. Gently pull on the water inlet to remove it from the dishwasher. Then, remove the old gasket. Using a pair of pliers, pinch the hose clamp and remove it from the water inlet. Firmly pull on the inlet hose while twisting it back and forth to remove it. If you need to purchase a new water inlet, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. Prepare the water inlet for installation by aligning the retaining slots on the water tube support to the water inlet and rotating it into position. Press the water inlet hose onto the water inlet and reinstall the hose clamp. Align the gasket to the water inlet and gently set in place. Now, align the water inlet tube into the groove on the side of the water inlet and the drain tube through these two retainers. Then, align the water inlet to the tub of the dishwasher and press into place. Next, align the new water inlet nut to the water inlet and tighten into place. To reinstall, begin by laying the water line on the floor so that it is in line with the inlet valve. Then, tape it down so it remains in place when sliding the dishwasher. With the dishwasher near the cabinet, feed the drain tube through the hole located towards the top of the cabinet and feed the power cord through the lower hole. Now, push the dishwasher back a few inches underneath the countertop and continue feeding the drain tube and power cord into the cabinet. Repeat until the dishwasher is in place. With the dishwasher door open, align the holes in the mounting brackets with the pre-existing screw holes under the countertop or with the screw holes in the cabinet if using side mounting brackets. You may need to extend the dishwasher's leveling legs to ensure a tight fit against the countertop. Then, reinstall the two mounting bracket screws. Now, reconnect the water line to the water inlet valve located on the bottom of the dishwasher. Then, reinstall the access panel by aligning and inserting the retainers and securing in place. Reconnect the drain tube to the sink, plumbing, or garbage disposal. Now, plug in your dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to reconnect wires in the terminal box and restore power by flipping the breaker. Then, turn on the water valve. Finally, test the dishwasher and check for any leaks. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.